children, how was your day? Are you ready for a story? For today's Bedtime Stories with EvA, I'll be reading you an Aesop fable. Okay, let's begin. The Donkey and the Lapdog. There was once a donkey whose master also owned a lapdog. This dog was a favorite and received many a pat and kind word from the master, as well as choice pieces from his plate. Every day, the dog would run to meet the master, frisking playfully about and leaping up to lick his hands and face. All this the donkey saw with much discontent. Though he was well fed, he had much work to do. Besides, the master hardly ever took any notice of him. Now the jealous donkey got it into his silly head that all he had to do to win his master's favor was to act like the dog. So one day, he left his stable and clattered eagerly into the house. Finding his master seated at the dinner table, he kicked up his heels and with a loud bray, pranced giddily around the table, upsetting it as he did so. Then he planted his forefeet on his master's knees and rolled out his tongue to lick the master's face as he had seen the dog do. But his weight upset the chair, and the donkey and man rolled over together in the pile of broken dishes from the table. The master was quite alarmed at the strange behavior of the donkey, and calling for help soon attracted the attention of the servants. When they saw the danger the master was in from the clumsy beast, they set upon the donkey and drove him with kicks and blows back to the stable. There they left him to mourn the foolishness that had brought him nothing but a sound beating. The end. The moral of the story is, behavior that is regarded as agreeable in one is very rude and impertinent in another. Do not try to gain favor by acting in a way that is contrary to your own nature and character. Thank you for today. Hope you are enjoying watching and listening to my bedtime stories. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter and Facebook for more upcoming videos in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Good night. Bye-bye.